In this video, I am going to show you how to delete a Facebook page. So first of all, open up your Facebook application. On your Facebook account, what you have to do is that first of all switch to your Facebook page. So to do that, you have to tap on menu which is present at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now on your menu, you will see a switch icon right beside your name. So you have to tap on that. Now you will be able to switch to your demo page. On your page, what you have to do is that you have to tap on the menu again, which is present at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now from here, you have to scroll down and tap on settings and privacy to extend the menu, then tap on settings. In your settings and privacy, you have to scroll down to the your information section and tap on access and control. Now you will see three options. You can either deactivate your Facebook page, you can unpublish your page, or you can permanently delete your page. So you have to tap on the delete page option and tap on continue. Once you tap on continue, it will ask you for a reason that you wish to delete your Facebook page. So it is optional. If you want, you can select any of these reasons or you can simply tap on continue. Now it will ask you whether you want to save your posts in your archive or whether you want to download your information. If you want to do that, you can simply tap on the associated links or you can tap on continue. Now it will ask you to enter your Facebook account password. So you have to enter that password quickly. Once you're done with your password, you have to tap on continue again and you will be able to easily permanently delete your Facebook page on your Facebook application. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.